Hello, Ted Morrison here. Just put the sign up at our newest Las Vegas listing. We're in the Paradise Valley townhome community, and if you're looking for great value, we may have it for you. 2446 Paradise Village is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 1548 square foot unit priced under $190, and it's set to hit the market today. So when you come downstairs here, you have the large living area, excellent for custom furnishings, half bath downstairs, all 4 bedrooms are upstairs, and this unit has been completely rehabbed in the last couple years. When you come in through the kitchen, you have a formal dining, additional living area option. All the appliances in the kitchen are GE profile stainless steel, custom cabinetry, backsplash. My favorite part of this townhome is the indoor-outdoor living as you come to the large patio. Excellent for barbecuing or entertaining, and imagine having your housewarming party with all your friends and family over. This place could be yours. If you'd like to set up your own private tour, please contact us at 702-321-2370, and thank you for joining us today.